Namaste and welcome everyone. Are you searching for some funny gifts to surprise your love? If yes, then you will enjoy this video in which I am showing super simple DIY gifts to give your relation a much needed boost on this Valentine's Day. The first gift idea is love chips. This is fun because each chip is going to bring a smile to your special one's face as it explains the reason why you are in love with them. To start with, empty out the packet of chips in a bowl. Now simply grab a piece of yellow paper and draw oval shapes which looks like potato chips. Don't overthink it because these are totally random. Now this is the time to cut out our chips. I made 25, but you can make less or more as per you like. Next step is to write reasons of your love. If you want same reason as I am writing, then check out the description box. I have given the link to the photo of 25 reasons why I love you. Now to give our paper chip a more realistic look, I am folding it in a zigzag manner. And our crunchy love chips are ready. I'm putting chips into the package and I will seal this package with hot glue gun, but you can use any glue instead. Now for finishing touches, I am creating yellow back topper. I am sticking it with hot glue gun. I'm writing I love you, but you can write any message instead. And our super awesome crunchy love chips are ready. If you are struggling to find perfect way to express your love, then how about a secret scratch card? The secret ingredient to make this card is acrylic paint and dish soap. Take a ratio of 2 parts of paint to 1 part of dish soap and mix it well. I'm using white gel pen to write on my red cardstock. I have already outlined the writing with my pencil just to avoid any mess during the video shoot. Now I'm drawing a heart using my black gel pen. Now I'm drawing the heart pie chart. Now I'm creating small parts to my pie chart and I'm writing the things that I love the most. Of course, you can write anything you want. Or you can also write the secret love message. Now this is the important step. I'm covering the heart with white crayon. Now paint over the heart with the mixture we made before. The first layer doesn't look like much, but it will soon. You will need to let this layer air dry completely before applying next layer. In total, I have applied 5 layers to achieve this look, which completely hides the text underneath. I am folding black paper which is slightly larger than my red panel. Then I am sticking it to create a side folding card. Now let's test it out. I'm using coin to scratch my card. I totally enjoyed the feeling of satisfaction that comes when I scratch all the shimmery paints off the card which reveal the secret text underneath. This card is really so much fun to make and to scratch. Now moving forward to our third and last DIY gift, that is paperweight. This is one of a kind gift that you can't buy in any store. You will need a nice shaped rock and some acrylic paints of your choice. I have started with painting bottom side of the rock with blue color. Now I am coloring rest of my rock with this pretty awesome orange color. Now I am drawing thin white line where the two colors met. I used black acrylic paint to write my message, "You rock." For finishing touches, I created white polka dots. That is pretty much it. I sealed my rock with a layer of Mod Podge. I love how bright and cheerful this rock turned out. Our 3 DIY funny Valentine gifts are ready. Let me know which one you like the most in the comment section below. For more inspiration, click on these 2 videos which I created a while back. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notification for my new video on next Saturday. Have a nice weekend. Happy crafting!